In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to sell on Facebook Marketplace, whether you're looking to declutter your home or start a small business. Facebook Marketplace is a fantastic platform to reach a broad audience. Let's dive in and explore how you can set up and post your listings smoothly. First, make sure you're logged into your Facebook account. Once there, navigate to the left-hand menu and click on See More. This will expand your options, and from here, locate and click on Marketplace. You should now find yourself on the Facebook Marketplace homepage, a central hub where you can explore a variety of listings and, most importantly, create your own. To start listing an item for sale, click on the Create New Listing button. Facebook will then prompt you to choose a listing type. The choices typically include items for sale, vehicles for sale, and even properties for rent. Select the category that best fits what you are selling. This helps ensure your listing appears in the right section and reaches potential buyers interested in what you're offering. Once you've chosen your category, you'll need to enhance your listing with photos. Click on Add Photos and upload clear and well-lit images of your item. Pictures are crucial as they provide the first impression to potential buyers. Make sure to include different angles and any relevant details. Next, it's time to craft your listing. Start by typing a catchy and descriptive title for your item. This title becomes the first glimpse into what you're offering, so make it attention-grabbing yet honest. Then, set a price. Consider researching similar items to price yours competitively, which can increase the likelihood of a quick sale. Now, you'll need to select a category for your item. Facebook provides a range of categories, and choosing the right one ensures your item shows up in relevant searches. You'll also find a section labeled Tools where you can specify the condition of the item. Options usually range from new to used, indicating how much wear and tear the item has had. Next, it's time to write a detailed description. Highlight key features, any flaws, and other information buyers might find useful. After that, you can specify the brand and add relevant tags to increase visibility. As you approach finalization, choose the availability of your item and specify your location. This helps local buyers find your item more easily. Once you are satisfied with all the details, click Next and review your listing. Finally, you're ready to publish. Hit the Publish button and your listing will go live. You also have the option to share it in relevant groups you're part of, expanding your item's reach to even more potential buyers. And there you have it, a simple way to get started selling on Facebook Marketplace. Happy selling!